Chemistry, the most beautiful of sciences, a conglomeration between the logical application and standard observation, defining the rules with which supernebulas denote new elements and the smallest of particles interact. This video surmises the melee between the two warring states, acid or alkali. Our task regarding this intellect was to use neutralization ideology as a method for creating a branded bath bomb, adhering to business-applicable retribution. To complete this, our group analysed varied aspects and interactions of soap. These include the fact that it must act as a detergent on cleaning skin, smell, feel, and look, and even effervesce, as does serendipity. Detergents and emulsifiers work when the hydrophobic or water-hating end attaches to the grease substance with the intention of removing its presence from a surface. The other pole of the molecule, which is hydrophobic or water-hating, will then, through a process of pertaining to covalent bonds, latch onto the hydrogenated water molecule and then leave the skin bereft of grease portrayal. To create soap, the attribution of the pH scale must not be ignored. Acids are compounds that have a higher number of either positive or negative hydrogen ions with hydroxide. Hydroxide abundance is when a solvent throws a solution to the other side of the pH scale, creating an alkali. When acids and alkalis are mixed together, a reaction called neutralization occurs, as can be evidenced in this word equation. Human skin is roughly 5.5 on the pH scale, or a weak moderate acid, and so we used a ratio of 1:1 at 7.5 grams of citric acid and sodium hydroxide to fit this category. This is because the acid is more highly ionized than the basic solution. After a long process of weighing the appropriate masses, dyeing the color and tone of the pearlescence and complexion, and spraying in some coconut oil and vanilla extract, the reactive Epsom salts were purely alpine manufacture were ready. We hypothesized that, due to prior knowledge from our previous unit, the smaller crystals, the faster the rate of reaction present would be. We did not, however, believe that the quantity of gas would vary. After the initial reaction, the opacity and swirling colours were preceded by a silky, moisturizing perplexity on the skin. While due to lack of time and resources, we were unable to ascertain our hypotheses' deductions, post-investigation research proved that our assumptions were most likely liable to axiomatic chemistry. Thank you.